Hello there, my name is Yunita Aprilia Cristina from Factual Speech 305. Today I will do a report based on oral speech with technological inventions which changed the world as the theme. Technology is machine or equipment designed using scientific knowledge which is used in practical ways in industry. There are so many people who are competing to create or invent advantageous technology for comfortably human living. Moreover, not a few of the technology inventions have been able to change the world. For example is videoconferencing. Videoconferencing was first introduced by AT&T in 1964 at the World Fair in New York. It was a simple system incorporating two closed-circuit television systems which were connected by a cable. The type of connection using UHF or VHF connections, which is often used by television stations when interviewing people or reporting live. Videoconferencing was very futuristic when it was first introduced, with few people able to see the potential of the system when the cost was so expensive. AT&T began using videoconferencing for its picture phone service in the early 1970s. When AT&T introduced the picture phone, it was $160 per month for each endpoint, an equivalent of almost $1,000 a month in today's money. Advancement in the technology such as Network Video Protocol (NVP) in 1976 and the Packet Video Protocol (PVP) in 1981 started bringing the technology to more than just NASA and the military. In 1982, IBM Japan created a link between them and their US counterparts for weekly business meetings. The 1990s saw a surge in video conferencing technologies with the advent of the Internet Protocol or IP and much more advanced video compression technologies which allowed the video, image, and sound to be transmitted in much smaller package across the network, reducing the size of the live stream files. On this year, webcams began to appear in the early on university campuses. The first commercial webcam introduced on the market in August 1994 was called Quickcam, which was compatible with Mac. A PC version was released the following year. Time magazine named Quickcam one of the top computer devices of all the time in 2010. In 1991, IBM introduced their innovative PC-based system for video conferencing called Pictel. This black and white system cost considerably less than the old systems with a cost of just $30 per hour for the light. However, the hardware and software was £20,000, still prohibitive to smash. See You See Me, video conferencing software played an important role in the history of video conferencing. It was developed by Cornell University IT department personnel for Mac in 1992 and Windows in 1994. This video-only system provided the highest quality commercial video to date, and with the introduction of sound in 1994, there was finally a commercially viewable video conferencing solution. See You See Me helped users in the first internet radio stations. It was released commercially in 1995. Today, with the advent of high-speed broadband and fiber optic networks, video conferencing is used by huge variety of businesses to connect them with the world with HD quality image and crystal clear sound quality. Another monumental development in the history of video conferencing was that it became an effective tool for mobile collaboration in real time. It's an ideal communications tool for building a website, reading software, or collecting data. Video conferencing can be used for anything and anytime. For example is brainstorming sessions, presenting demonstration videos, making business communication more personal, working and studying from home, communicating with people who is far from our place. Video conferencing is really useful in human life, especially in the middle of COVID-19 pandemic nowadays.